About 5 weeks ago, I did a video and I showed you planting my seed potatoes in these grow bags. So here we are 5 weeks later, and look how well they're doing. I think this may be the best season I've ever had for the health of my plants, and I attribute that to three things basically. First of all, it's the exposure. I'm against a south-facing wall here of my greenhouse, so they're getting all day sun. Potatoes love that. And then the other important thing is the growing environment itself. So I've got the 20 and 25 gallon grow bags, so lots of room for a few seed potatoes to really branch out and produce their potatoes. But the other thing is my soil choice. And in my case, I'm using Soil3 VeggieMix. That is such a great soil for so many reasons, and the proof is right here in the success of my plants. They are so healthy. But something else I did, after I planted these, I realized, I didn't do anything for deer protection because I don't have a deer fence out here. So I went and pulled some onions because I know the pungency of this smell is off-putting to wildlife, including deer. So I pulled maybe 50 onions and I placed them all around the base of the grow bags and in the grow bags themselves. And here we are 5 weeks later. No deer problems yet, knock on wood. But when I harvest these, I'm going to bring you back and show you how I did.